Hello everybody, once again this is Chris from fluentinmandarin.com and welcome back to another video from my mini-series of videos teaching you about Chinese characters in detail. In the first video we looked at Chinese characters that look like things or objects that are essentially pictures of things, which I explained are only about 4% of all the characters in Chinese, or even less. And the second type of Chinese characters that I want to look at are the ones that represent ideas. So a small proportion of Chinese characters directly represent ideas, either through their form or through their composition. And these characters in Chinese are called 指示字. Okay, so the first example I'm going to give you is Shun. And this character, Shun, means on top of or upper. And you can see it's a picture of a horizontal line with some lines above this, and this represents upper or on top of. And there's also another character which is the opposite of this, 下. So this character means below or lower, 上 and 下. So this is 下. And as you can see, you've got the same reference line at the top, and then you've got some two strokes below this, and this represents below or lower. What other 指示字 have we got in this category? We've also got 中, which means middle, and it also means China, because the word for China in Chinese is 中国, which means the middle kingdom, or the kingdom in the middle, in the center of the world. And this character comes from a picture of essentially a rectangle shape with a line which dissects it, cuts it into two in the middle. And this is why this character stands for middle or center in Chinese. 中. Some more examples now. 凶 is fierce. And this is essentially a picture of a person falling into a pit. So the cross in the top represents a person, and then the bottom is the pit. And so there's a relation to the meaning here. We've also got some number characters which are representative of the idea. 1 is just one horizontal line. 一. We've also got 二, which is two horizontal lines. You'll notice the second line is a bit longer than the one at the top. We've also got 三, which means 3. 三 is three horizontal lines representing the number 3. And then we've also got some more complex characters that represent ideas. So here we've got 牵, which means lead along, or involve or implicate. And here you can see that there is a crossbar in the middle of the character above an ox, and then there's another part on the top. So this bar and this ox represent leading something along. And that's the original form of this character. This one is a little bit more complicated. We've also got ni, which means go against or disobey. And this character ni was originally a picture of somebody upside down. So that's related to the meaning of going against or going in the opposite direction, or disobeying. That's ni. Okay, so this is the second type of Chinese character that I want to tell you about. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to learn some more Chinese or find out some more information, click the link in the description to this video to sign up and get your free guide that I've put together called The 10 Biggest Mistakes That Beginners in Chinese Make and How You Can Avoid Them. To sign up, just click the link in the description, put your email address in, follow the steps, and I'll get that free guide sent out to you. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to get my latest videos. And that's about it. See you next time for the next video in this series.